All right, YouTube. Sorry, it's been a while since I've been back, but you know, things take money and planning and all that good stuff, and I'm not a big sponsored channel, so you know, takes a little time. But I'm back. So today's going to be kind of a unboxing video, because I see all the other YouTube channels do that, so to kind of give you guys a taste of what's coming. And of course, these parts are going to obviously tell you what's coming down the pipe, right? So let me show you guys what I have, and we will discuss what we're gonna do. Because man, I've been waiting for these parts forever. So anyway, enough jibber jabber with other stuff. Let's get back on task here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have been hoarding and trying to acquire. Let me show you what's in. So y'all probably have seen this particular box in many of my other videos, but now I'm going to show you what's in it. So let's go. Box is this? Well, this is a 12.4 inch Mini Cooper rotor that I had Anti-Lag Racing make the my custom Willwood brake kit around. So this is kind of a crucial part. I mean, obviously this will go on the front, but this is part of what I've been planning. So kind of wanted to show you guys what I had. All right. So what's in this other box? Let's check it out. I'm sure you guys can probably already guess what's in this one, right? Oh, more boxes. What a shock, right? Actually, I haven't opened this box either, so first time for me as well. All right, so what's in here? I'm sure you guys just got a pretty good little peek there, huh? So this is 259 millimeter Mini Cooper. See a theme here? Mini Cooper rotor, cross drilled, solid. That is for the rear disc brake conversion that I will be doing. Anyway, guys, this is a work of art. I mean, consider this kit was made in a garage. So anyway, what we have here is these are Nissan Sentra brake pads that are modified to work on this kit, to work with the DSM rear rotors. So I had Mr. Chris Pearson do these. Look at these. Looks like a factory part. You can't even really tell. This dude does really bomb ass work. So he's also on my website, 4G63 Swapped. See if I can do this without cutting any of the bracketry here. These are the other brake pads for the other side. I mean, you can barely even tell they were modified. And Chris tells me that these last a good bit. You know, they're the rear brakes. They don't really do all the work anyway. But dude, look at these brackets. Handmade, dude. See, and this is his call sign, or whatever you kids are calling it nowadays. If you're a member of the Mirage forums, you know this guy. He's pretty popular. He's well known in that community. So this is what bolts up. This is what bolts up. Your calipers go here. This goes through where your hub is, and this connects to your cable, because the rear brakes on the Mirages are cable driven. So, I mean, look at this. This thing looks powder coated. He painted this. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Chris, you're going to have to send me some stickers, dude. I want to put these on the windows. You gotta represent the good small builders out there, so these guys can keep making these great products. I know there's more to it, you know, there's bolts and whatnot. Let's see. Put my razor up there. So this is obviously the side of the car that we have exposed, because I'm sure you guys have seen, I really can't get on the passenger side of the car. So anything I do, I'll have to do the driver's side first, take this off of jack stands, which that hasn't happened in 5 years, and do the other side, because the other side I still have a good bit of stuff to do. But again, let's look at this. I mean, this is, it won't fall off here. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? I mean, he hand cut this. This is his old kit. He doesn't really make this anymore. I had to convince him to make me one more. One for the road, right? I mean, look at this. Just great, right?